How to set up Apple Cash account. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up Apple Cash on your iPhone so you can send money to your friends through iMessage. So first, open your settings app and scroll down to find Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on that to continue. At the top, you will see Apple Cash. Toggle it on. It might ask you for phone password, so just enter that. Then hit sign in to continue. Apple will walk you through a couple of quick steps, so you will need to agree to the terms. So just tap continue, then agree when prompted. So if you want, you can add a debit card to fund your Apple Cash balance. So this step is optional, but it makes easy to send money right away. And that's it. Apple Cash is now set up on your iPhone and you're ready to send or receive money directly through iMessage. So if this video was helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tap tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.